The revolution is loud, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. The future of off-road dominance has arrived, wearing a Ford badge with confidence. This is the 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor, built to overwhelm, not compete. Wider, lower, more aggressive. Every inch designed for control and dominance. Nothing here is cosmetic. Every line serves a purpose. This isn't a truck that blends in. It commands attention everywhere it goes. Step inside and the Beast reveals its second personality. This cabin feels less like a truck and more like a digital command center. The Raptor adapts to how you drive, delivering the right information at the right moment. Under the hood, controlled chaos waits for your command. Press the throttle and the Raptor lunges forward without hesitation. The suspension reads the terrain, reacting faster than human instinct. At speed, it feels planted, stable, and shockingly fast. Here, technology doesn't replace skill, it enhances it. The 2026 Ford F-150 Raptor doesn't defend its crown, it attacks. Subscribe to America Unboxed for cinematic reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow. Which feature impressed you the most?